Today, friends, we're going to learn a few spelling patterns and use them to help us make words. And there are 3 words. Let's read them together. Bell, bell, and well. For a second, what do you notice about these words? Bell, bell, and well. What do you notice about those words? If you all notice that these words rhyme, you're right. These words also end in double consonants. So if you look at the end of each word, bell, fell, and well, they all end in 2 L's in a double consonant. I want you guys to think about the vowel sound in these words, bell, fell, and well. What kind of sound does the vowel make? Does it make its long or its short sound? The long sound is when the vowel says its name. The short sound is when it makes its normal sound. Bell, fell, and well. What kind of sound does that vowel make? If you said it makes its short sound, you are right. B, e, o. F, e, o. W, e, o. The E in every word says e. It makes its short sound. What you notice so far is that the words that end in a double consonant, like bell, fell, and well, they have 2 L's at the end. Whenever a word ends in a double consonant, the vowel usually makes its short sound. These words, I wrote E-L-L since they end in E-L-L. I'm going to add some more words to this list. Spell and shell. What do we notice about these words compared to the other ones? Both of these words still have E-L-L at the end. What do we notice about the beginning of these words? How is the beginning of these words different than the beginning of the other words? In these words, we added an extra letter at the beginning before the E-L-L. So instead of just being B-E-L-L, we have S-P-E-L-L. When you put the S-P together, it says sp, sp. And then the L, the ending sounds the same. Sp, L. Sh, sh, L. Shell. Some more words. These words over here in the blue. What do you notice about all 3 of these words? Let's read them together. Hill, will, hill. These words all end in I-L-L. You are correct. It's the same pattern as before. So these words over here end in E-L-L. And these end in I-L-L, but it's still a double consonant ending. So let's think about that middle sound, the I, the vowel in each word. What does the vowel sound like in these words? P, I, O, W, I, O, H, I, O. Is I, that's the sound it makes. Is that its short sound or a long sound? What kind of sound is the vowel making in these words? The vowel is making its short sound, I. So what can we say that we have learned today? If we know that a word ends in a double consonant, what kind of sound does the vowel usually make? Short or long? If a word ends in a double consonant, then the vowel usually makes its short sound. This can help you to read and write words.